Hi, my name is Carrie, and I just got a hold of this Kenmore refrigerator. It's 25 cubic foot side by side, and it's 5 years old. There's the date on it, 7/13. So it's 5 years old, and the people got a new refrigerator because they said this one was leaking. And so this is a very common problem. I'll bring you down here. Change more than a few of these out. This is the water line that goes to the ice maker in the back. I've taken the panel off here. You can see it's unplugged, and so this was a poor design, and as you can see, there's like this sharp angle. So I don't know, the water comes down and then it has to go like almost at like a 45-degree angle up, and over time you can see that cracks. I must have replaced through the years 3 or 4 or 5 of these, and this is an $11 hose on eBay, and so that's what I will do. So just got to be careful, beware. It's a very simple fix. This is like a John Guest valve. It's sort of like a shark bite. You just push up down here, this little yellow round collar. You just sort of push it in and it bites, and then that's good. But to take it out, you have to push up on this and then pull the hose out. So anyway, that's the $11 fix of a leaky 5-year-old Kenmore Whirlpool refrigerator. Thanks for watching. See you next time.